This morning we're doing a benefit ride for the Veterans Base Camp in Connecticut. It's a very good program. It helps out veterans who are pretty much down on their luck or need help. It's called the Ride for Recovery. There we go. Let me get this going on. We've got the Norwood Vet Center here representing Mike's bike. Stay metrics. Stay metrics are better. I know. I'm fucking with you. These are some nice bikes though. Hey everybody. There you go. We don't care about motorcycles, we care about the dogs. You can spray paint your M16s and all that. This is Legacy Designs. You want some powder coated, Cerakoted, you're good.
I'm not quite sure how that happened, but it happened.
I don't know. I don't need any of that. GMC Gates giving out ice cream. Love it. How are you?
Hello.
What you got? Guess I'll do an eclair bar, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, I have to. There's an ice cream truck. I'll get my fat kid on. MFC's tent.
Yes, sir.
No. Well,
Joe, he loves the camera. I think he does porn on the side, but check out his OnlyFans. Nothing but meat tips and feet.
Italian feet picks.
All right, they're about to do a raffle right now. I didn't put in for a raffle because I'm broke. Subscribe to my channel, help me out. That way I don't have to be broke all the time.
We're going to come back to that in a minute, but I also want to thank, listen, this is a big fundraiser, not just for Nat Dog Hospital, but it's also for the Veterans Base Camp. So the work at the Veterans Base Camp is really important in supporting our veterans. So give me a minute just to acknowledge these leaders who have supported what we did here today. So I'm going to run through it. I want to thank the farm.
No, they just got here. My family just got here.
We got raffles going on.
Thank you.
That's nice.
Farm Fair, Columbia, Ford Kia.
They're doing the raffle now, so there's no music in the background to worry about copyright. So I'm gonna go count some bikes, look at some bikes, and we're gonna go from there. Nice sporty. This just about wraps it up. I had a great time here at the Veterans Base Camp. The weather was perfect. What a great day for a ride. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, ride safe.